I've seen struggling online startups and small businesses spending thousands of dollars trying to skyrocket their business. If your website is visually appealing and drives traffic, but doesn't convert your visitors into customers, then your efforts are in vain. Here you need to entrust your site to a professional SEO agency. Veteran-owned, SEO After Coffee works to ensure your website not only drives traffic, but also converts your visitors into customers and yields a high return on investment. It's a smart idea to make SEO a part of your company's digital marketing plan. By entrusting us, you will make the right step to achieve prolonged success online. By improving your website content, it will rank higher in Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines. Our company can build an SEO campaign that will both fit your budget and get you ranked. We will give the search robots what they are looking for while scraping the World Wide Web. SEO After Coffee works to deliver traffic through search results when consumers are looking for your type of business. Let's meet for a coffee and get your project started. Just give us a call and book your appointment right now.